Poso Manuilk. My name is Lorenzo Warrington. I'm an intern here at the Sustainable Development Institute for the College of Menominee Nation.
Hey, my name is Claude Sanapaw, and I'm an intern at the SDI building.
And we are currently working on the Survey to Edible Plants project.
In the month of July, it's blueberry month in Menominee culture.
Main queso. And so today we'll be helping you identify blueberries. First tip I want to provide you guys with low bush blueberry is that they grow in well-shaded areas, as you can see in their surroundings, and also well-drained soil. And they tend to be friends with oak trees. So you can find blueberries next to oak trees almost all the time. So the second tip I want to provide you with low bush blueberry is that they're 1 to 2 feet high, and they grow in clumps of bushes, as you can see with these blueberries right here.
So once the berries are ripe, or close to being ripe, they will have a greenish blue to purple color to it. And lastly, you're going to want to look for small, narrow green leaves that grow along the stem of the plant.
And so with that, we have provided you 4 tips on how to identify low bush blueberry. So 1, they grow in well-shaded areas, as you can see here, well-drained soil, and they grow next to oak trees. And number 2, they're 1 to 2 feet high.
So the third detail is greenish blue to purple colors in the berries. And then finally, small and narrow green leaves.
So with any plant, you want to make sure you can identify the plants 100% before ingesting, because a lot of plants have lookalikes. Blueberries don't really have much lookalikes, but you also want to be careful when any plant you ingest, because they can be deadly. So with that, go out there and be safe.